I'm going to join these two Coax cables together simply by cutting back the outer insulation like so. And when I pull that off, I can then get into the braid. This is the earthing section of the Coax cable. So I'm going to trim that off like so. Generally this is going to be an emergency repair really, rather than a general repair. It would be okay if it's in the loft, but I wouldn't recommend this outside. Anyway, so I'm going to trim up the braid as I've just done, and I'm going to cut back the foil. However, the foil I will keep on there. So the next step is to remove the inner insulation. This will reveal the core. This is normally copper. And now I'm going to do an identical cutting of the braid and the insulation, except I will be leaving more of the braid and I'll be cutting the foil right back, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do here is, a little bit later on, I'll be joining the two together. The actual core will be joined together by literally pushing it into the second insulation. Now this won't be a electrical connection, but because we're talking about high frequencies here, it won't make much difference in terms of the quality of the signal. So I'm going to cut back just working out exactly how much I need, and I will cut back the core to give me the correct cutting. Now obviously with all these stuff you've got to just play it by ear, which is what I was doing. You can of course copy what I'm doing, or you can do your own adjustments. So now I'm going to trim off the inner insulation. Just check to see whether that will fit correctly. It looks like it will. So now I'm going to cut the copper core, and if you can subscribe, that'd be great. So I'm going to push the two copper cores together, push it right in. Now as I say, this won't be electrically correct, so if you are running 12 volts, this won't be the suitable connection that I'm doing. But if it's standard aerial signal, then it'd be perfectly fine. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut the insulation, the outer insulation that I originally removed. I'm just going to use it as part of the protection from the weather or from general wear and tear. Now I'm going to use that side, and I'll cut another one that will go on the other side, like so. Now as soon as that's done, I'll be using black tape to hold it together. Now this is electrically sound in respect of the signal strength, but not for the 12 volts. That's of course you are driving 12 volts. You normally have 12 volts whenever you're using what's called a masthead amplifier. But if you're not using a masthead amplifier and you're not driving 12 volts, then this should be perfectly okay. So that's it. If you can, if this did give any value, then please share, like and subscribe.